Open it! Open the gate! Hey! Open! Open the gate! Open!
Andrews, what happened to you? Now, where's your native?
Natives, all gone. We were attacked by giants.
Giants. Why, you were delirious, Chet. Let me get you another slug.
I'm not delirious. But they were like nothing human. They were too big. Too awful.
Now, take it easy, Chet. Take it easy. Where did these giants, as you call them, take your natives?
Into the jungle. Towards Magnetic Mountain.
You were saying things. Forget it, my boy. Forget it. Forget it.
White man, he come.
White man. Who can that be? Welcome, gentlemen. My name's Butterfield. This is my post.
Bruce Gordon.
How do you do, sir? Colton.
Reynolds.
Pleasure, sir.
Jerry Delaney.
How are you, Mr. Delaney? Will you come in, have a little drink?
Thanks.
This is Mr. Andrews.
How are you?
Gentlemen, make yourself at home. What brings you here to the heart of Africa?
You may not have heard of the disasters that are wrecking the outside world.
What is it, another war?
You may call it that. The enemy so far has been invisible, and that's what we're here for.
Why to this part of the country?
This is near the spot indicated by my magnetic detector.
You must be speaking about that cursed Magnetic Mountain. What is this Magnetic Mountain? A mountain where the blacks...
Why, there's a mountain near here full of iron. It's sort of a natural lightning rod.
Lightning rod? There are horrors there you never dreamed of. Giants. Black giants. The biggest, most terrible creatures you ever saw.
Oh, don't mind him. He was the victim of ordinary raiders.
Raiders nothing. I tell you, they were giants. And they headed for the mountain. That night, I saw it flare up like 1,000 searchlights.
I've got it. Jerry, go set up the detector. This mountain may be the center of this disturbance. Right. Come on, Reynolds.
Okay.
Andrews, you talk too much.
Manius! I must have more power!
Zolok, you have already discharged enough electrical energy into the atmosphere to destroy 100 cities.
I'll have this cosmic condenser hold enough power to destroy the world, if I desire it.
When I invented these instruments, I did it for the benefit of mankind.
Manius! I brought you here to create the things I want. Defy me, and you know the consequences. Vaso, take Manius to his laboratory.
Yes, Master.
Apollon, stand by the enlarging machine.
Yes, Master.
Father! Oh, Father, this mad Zolak. Can't we do something to keep him from creating more living dead men?
My dear, unless I obey his slightest wish, he may injure you.
We had better go on. Zolok is watching.
Oh, Father, it works.
It's a success. A new invention for humanity.
Put him in the brain destroyer.
Yes, Master. Come, we'll go.
You go. Go to your post. You can't think except as I think. You must obey my command. You are my slave. Apollon, have Manius brought here.
Yes, Master. Dr. Manius? The enlarging machine is ready.
Oh, Father. Father, must you obey?
Nadia, my dear, we are in his power. Just be patient.
Come, Doctor. Proceed. Turn it off! Arise! You are my slave. Your name is Pierre. Garzo, the emblem of the lost city.
Yes, master.
Do as Garzo tells you. Take him to his quarters.
Yes, master.
Come. Avalon, bring another subject.
Yes, master.
Here. Inside.
Garzo,
Yes, Snatcher?
I don't see how you can be so heartless.
Zolak is my master.
Why is he your master?
He promised to make a man of me like other men. Big, strong.
Yes. Make you a living dead man like those poor slaves.
No, no.
You'll see.
Everything connected, Jerry?
All set.
All right, turn on the switch.
There's interference somewhere in this neighborhood. Turn on the amplifier.
Yes, master.
Those strangers are right. They've got a machine there. A magnetic detector. That's where I've been getting my interference.
Magnetic mountain, all right. Just the place we're looking for.
What do we do now, Bruce?
We'll start at once.
Those strangers have located my lost city. They must be stopped. Get Apollon, quick.
Yes, Master.
No, don't talk to me of marriage again.
The Master calling Apollon to the control room at once.
You'll change your mind.
Father, Apollon's been talking about marriage again.
Daughter dear, I just had some big news. White men are coming this way.
White men.
Yes.
From outside?
Yes,
They're coming here?
yes. Oh, if I could only warn them of their peril.
Oh, no. Oh, no, Father. They'll help us escape.
Unless they also become Zola's victims.
Butterfield must have talked.
Butterfield? Ah, he wouldn't dare talk. He wouldn't dare mention our presence here. You know why.
What are your plans, Master?
Trap them in the hut of the mysterious voice. Get everything ready.
Yes, Master.
Take a squad of giants and deploy them around the hut.
And capture those white men?
Yes, if they escape the trap.
Yes, Master.
Come on. Higher.
Natcher. Come to the control room.
I'm not going.
But you must. You better go, my dear.
Give your men a rest.
Cheer up, you fellas. We're on our way and getting close.
Yeah, and getting hot.
Bruce, I don't like the look of things. Andrews may have been right about the giants. Too many of our blacks have deserted already.
Just the same, we're going on.
Hide.
That sounds like a white girl's voice. Come on, Jerry, let's find out. That must be the place. Come on, let's go.
I'll tell you what we'll do.
So this is that.
Hugo! Ayuga! By the arms! What's the meaning of this?
What are you going to do with us?
I'm taking you to the lost city, to my master.
Hugo! Come, Hugo! Ayuga!
It's inside.
thought sure that voice came from here. But